Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to integrate GitHub with Visual Studio Code. Firstly, open VS Code, then press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Type git.clone and select it from the list. Enter the URL of the GitHub repository you want to clone, then choose a local folder to save the cloned files. VS Code will automatically prompt you to sign in when performing actions that require authentication. When prompted, click Sign In. Follow the instructions to log in with your GitHub account. You can use username and password with 2FA and personal access token or SSH key for secure access. Just open the PR from the pull requests view and review changes, add comments and assign reviewers, approve, close or merge the PR directly from VS Code, and use the checkout button to locally inspect the PR before merging. After merging, you can delete the remote and local branches if needed. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.